Hey, hello everyone. Welcome again. Uh, Request you guys to watch my previous video on how the condition base will be determined in case of the calculation type ABHI. Then request you to watch this video. Anyways, I will be providing the I card. You can go through that first, then watch this video next. Now let's continue where we left in our previous video. As I mentioned that. In case of surcharge discounts and taxes, whenever the KNAK value not equal to AKLMXZ, then only those values will be added to ZWISU variable. Now let's understand what does it mean AKLMXZ means. So these are the inactive reasons. Suppose whenever for any condition types exclusion group has been activated, then if that has been excluded in the item level, then KNAK value for the condition type will be mentioned as A. If it is inactive due to calculation basis, then it will become K, and inactive at header level means T, inactive due to manual entry means M, and if it is inactive due to any formula, then it will become X. Now let's go through the second condition. In first condition, what we have seen is that no from to has been maintained. In second step, we will see if from only maintained, there is no to maintained, or if both of them are maintained, then how it works. Now let's see one by one. Suppose if only from is maintained, there is no to maintained, then the system by default fill the to as a from. So in this example, from has been maintained as 100, then same 100 will be updated as under 2 as well. And moreover, the step numbers, see if we are in step number 110, that means we need to provide the from should be less than this 110. We can't give more than greater than 110 because those are yet to be processed. We need to mention the only the already processed steps. Yeah, if only from is maintained, then 2 will be filled automatically. And during condition based determination, that particular step will be considered to determine the condition based value. If both from and to reference maintained and to reference is greater than from or equal to from, then all the steps specified in that from to combination will be determined. Same way, so in above section also we discussed that while adding discounts such as to ZWISU variable, system will ignore the inactive condition types where we have the value AKLMXZ, and similar thing will be applied here as well. So here also, whenever from to has been maintained, these kind of condition types will be ignored, and in this case it will still consider the condition types where reason is Y, and system include subtotal as well. So there are three things here. In case of from to is maintained, then for the condition types AKLMXZ inactive reason has been maintained, then those will be not considered, but still if it is maintained as Y, that will be considered, and the system will include the subtotal as well and add it to that as a condition base. Thank you everyone. We'll continue in the next video.